Okay, make sure everything's nice and snug.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Got this one. So really,
You haven't diddled with the airflow
I should've
adjustment
tried
on this, have you?
That black would look beautiful.
Okay.
Black would look
Well, I
just
find
really nice.
a lot of times
Okay.
that
Yeah, I think you'd really like this. I know.
if you start messing around with that airflow, you actually screw it up. I wouldn't mess with it unless you were really
this
unhappy.
This is going to be really a big deal
Okay.
versus, I mean, not that your Aspire tank's not good, because I have Aspire too, but I also have one of these, and I find that you're not having to fill up as much.
Yeah.
Okay? And
Okay. Oh, come on.
let's just look at it. Weird. So that way,
There you go.
There we go.